Hi guys, if ChatGPT, Twitter and various other apps, social media app not working properly on your Windows system, then there may be a culprit of Cloudflare down. If you open ChatGPT in your Windows 11 PC, such type of message appear on your screen. Please unblock challengers.cloudflare.com to proceed. And this happens because Cloudflare's down and ChatGPT and various hundred of social media app not working properly on your Windows PC. So we will fix various method. I will explain it, and the first one is in your browser, click on three horizontal dot against top right corner and go to settings. Here from the left side, click on three horizontal line and choose privacy and security. Clear your browser history, cookies and site data. Here choose delete browsing data. Set time region all time. And make the check against option browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, downloaded history and other features, autofills and data, hosted app data. And finally click on delete. Delete from this device. Clear your browser caches, history, cookies and site data. Will definitely resolve your issue. And check whether your issue Cloudflare's challenger you will still receive. Then go to the next fixes. Again go to same three vertical dot against top right corner and here choose extensions. Go to extensions and here hover the cursor on extensions and choose manage extensions. And if you have added extension to your browser, simply remove it or disable it. First disable it and check whether your issue is resolved or not. If not, simply remove it. After that, check whether your Cloudflare's issue resolved or not. Then go to the next fixes. Problem is still. Go to your network settings and you can see the message is Cloudflare's still open appearing. The one more setting is right click on start button and choose settings, disable VPN connection. From the left side, go to network and internet. Here scroll down, click on VPN and make sure that VPN connection, if you have added any VPN connection to your system, then simply disable it. After that, don't forget to restart your system. A simple restart can resolve various major and minor issues. So you must restart your system. After restarting, try to open ChatGPT and Twitter and other social media apps on your device and it will definitely open. We will try to open ChatGPT now and you can see open ChatGPT and now it will work. So apply any one method as described in this video and your Cloudflare issue definitely will be resolved by adopting methods explained in this video. That's all.